Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we'll be discussing the remaining methods in set. In our previous video we discussed till removing the items from a set. Okay, let's deep dive into today's topic. First one is union method. There are two methods available to join the sets, or it can be the sets can be joined with any other iterable such as list and tuple, and it can joined with sets itself. So there are two methods available to join the sets and any iterables. First one is union and the second one is update. So the union do return all items in both sets, and it is in a read-only format, which means it is not going to save in any objects, or it is not going to alter the existing set. Okay, and if you want to do any operations on the result, we must have to save them inside another object and do the operation, set operations on that. Okay, it is just in a read-only format. And the second one is update. Update method usually do the same act as a union method does, but it is going to alter any one of the set. Okay, so let me explain it in a very better way by using some examples. Okay, let's take these two sets A and B, and let me give like this: A dot union of B. Let's see what it is going to print. Let's print this also. Alright, and let's print the first method and print the second set. Okay, you can see it is printing A union B, which actually joined both the sets. It created a new set, but this set is not saved anywhere, right? And if you see A and B having changed, it is same as it before. So this is happening in union method. And let's do update method. Let's take the same sets, alright? Okay, then we are going to do print A dot update. There is an method update, and we are going to join it with a B. So here what will happen is A is going to change. A is going to change, which means A is going to include the items inside B. Let's print A and let's print B. Now you can see the difference. You can see this A dot B method is not printing because it is an operation. It is not returning any new set. It is actually altering, or it is going to change the existing set A. That's why it is printing as none. And if you see A set has been changed to this. Okay, then B is same as it is. And let us also do some more things, that print B dot update A and print A and print B. Here A has already this one, no? So we must have to again do this. If not, it is going to update the same thing again and again. So let me show you this. Now you can see A is as it is, but when it comes to B, B has been changed, and here it is returning none. So I hope you understood these two methods. The other operations are intersection, intersection update, difference update, symmetric difference update. So the first one, let's discuss one by one. The first one is intersection. So what do you mean by intersection? I'm taking the same set A and B. Let's see what happens in the intersection method. Okay, intersection, which means intersection always return the common items that is in both sets. Okay, let's see that, but it is not going to change any of the existing set, such as A and B. It is not going to change any or alter any set. Okay, let me show you that also. A dot intersection of B. Let us print this. Okay, if we print this, it is going to print it. Then we can print A, and next we can print B. You can see the common items present in both sets are A, 2, 4 and 6. But actually this is printing. This print A intersection B is printing because it is not going to store anywhere. It is going to only do the read-only format things. And A and B are as it is. But when it comes to intersection update method, you can see, let's take same this thing, and if you are going to print it, okay, print A dot intersection update B, you can see, and let's also print A and B so that you can understand better way. B, look, okay, here this is not printing, right? And here you can see there is actually there is no similar objects, common objects inside this, no? So let us take this one. Let's take some common items in B. That's why it is written like this. Okay, let's take this now. Now the A will be changed to this thing. Okay, the B will be as it is. Look, A246 has been changed. So this is the main difference between intersection and intersection update. The main thing you have to keep in mind is that if there is an update keyword inside in the name of the method, then it is going to alter any one of the set. Okay. If there is no such keyword such as update, it is not going to alter any of the sets. Okay, so the next one, also I want to show you one more thing. Let's do about let's see whether we can do the same method with any other iterable. So let's take this as a set, D as a set, and let's do the same functions here. Okay, see, it is returning a set, but it is actually joined with list iterable. So that is possible. And let's take this one also. Here, same thing only, but we are going to do by using tuple. Okay, let's take this B as a tuple and let's see that. Look, that is also running in very good manner. Look, A has been changed, it is updated. A has updated with the B items. Okay, the next thing is that operations here. So you can do these all the operations or all the methods with any iterable. You can go and like play over it. Okay, so the first one is excuse me, let me come. Okay, so the next one is what is next one? Difference. So what do you mean by difference? Difference actually will give the dissimilar items or uncommon items present in both sets. Intersection always give the common items. Difference always returns the uncommon items or the different items from the in both sets. Okay, so let me take the same example. Difference. Okay, here we are going to do print a dot difference B. So here you can see there is no update keyword, so that you must understand that there is no change in the existing one. It is going to create a new set. Okay, then print A and print B. So here you can see that it is returning a set with uncommon items present in both sets. Okay, and then let's do the difference update. Difference update method by using the same thing. Print a dot difference update of B. It is going to change a method. Sorry, a set. It is going to update the A set with the uncommon items that are present inside A and B. Let's print A and let's print here B. So now you can see that A has been changed to this, to the uncommon items. Alright. The next method is symmetric difference. What do you mean symmetric difference? Symmetric difference in the sense it is going to check for the symmetric items present in both sets. Okay. Actually, it is going to return a new set with the difference and updates. Okay. Okay, let me give symmetric difference. Symmetric difference. Let's take this. Then print a dot symmetric difference of B. And let's print A and print B. Here you can see that it is actually here this is B and this is A, right? Here false is not present inside B, so false gone here. Then you can see 1 also gone here. Then 2 is present inside B, so 2 is not. 2.4 has gone here. Then you can see 5.6 goes here, and 6 is present inside B. Okay, then 6 is present inside, so 6 will not go. Okay, then you can see the 9 is not there, but 9 has not been updated. And you can see, yeah, okay. So here, actually in difference method, what will happen is, it will only check the items that are present inside, whether the set 1's item is present inside B in the set 2. Okay, if the set 2 items are not present inside A, then it is going to update that inside the new list, new set. Okay, so it is not going to update the B's set B's value. It is not going to update. But when it comes to symmetric difference, you can understand that B's items are also updated inside the new set, like 5, 9 and everything is updated. Okay, so that is the main difference between the symmetric difference and the symbol difference. Okay. For better understanding, I'll explain it once again for you. You can say that in difference, it is going to check whether this A is present inside this B. Yes, A is present, so no issues. Then B is present inside this list, so the B is not available, no, inside B. So it is going to add this B to the new list. It is added. Then you can see 2. It is checking for 2. 2 is present, so that is not an issue. 6 is present. 4 is present. 2.4 is not present inside this B. So 2.4 has been updated. Then it is checking for 5.6. 5.6 is not updated. Yes, it is updated, sorry. Then 2J, this is also not present in B, so it is going to update. It is updated here. And then false is updated, 1 is updated. Then what? You can see the true and 0 are same. Sorry, true and 1 are same. So it is going to update any one of that, right? It removes the duplicates, the 1. It is checking for 1 here. 1 in B. So 1 is not here, so 1 is updated. Then it ignores true. Then it is checking for false. 0 is ignored and false it is checking in B, in set B. So false is not there, so false is also updated. It is not going to update any uncommon items present in B. It is not going to update it in the new list. This is the difference. Okay, when it comes to symmetric difference, you can understand that first it is going to check for A, then A is present, so it is ignored. Then B, it is updated. You can see B has been updated. Then 2 it is checking, 2 is updated. Then 6 it is checking, 6 is not is present, 4 is present. 2.4 is not there, 2.4 is updated. Then 5.6 is updated, 2J plus 2 is updated. Then it is going to check these, it removes the duplicates, and false and 1 are not present in B, so it is going to update in the new list, so in new set. Okay, then what happens? Then you can see that it is going to check for B in A. B in A. So G is present in A, A? No, it is not going to, it is not present. So G is updated here. Okay. Then 2 is present. Yes. 2 is present. 6 is present. Yes. 4 is present. Yes. 2.4 is not present. That is already we have updated. Then we are going for checking what A. A is present. Yes. P is present in A? No, P is not present in A. Then P is updated here. Then 5 is present in A. 5 is not present, so it is updated in the new list. Then 9 not present in B, present in A. Then 9 is updated. Then it is checking for 10. 10 is not present in A, so 10 has been updated in the new list. You can see here. Okay, that is known as symmetric difference. Then if we want to alter it, let's see. Symmetric difference update. Let's see this symmetric difference update. Let's see what happens. Here it is going to alter A with the this result. Symmetric difference result, it is going to alter or change or update the set A. Now you can see that it has been updated like this. A has been changed to this one. B is as it is and it is not returning anything. Okay, none. So that is the thing. And also there are operators. Okay, operators available to do that. I will give here itself. I will give to join. You can use this. You can use this operator. You can use. Okay, this operator you can use. Give like this. And for update, it is like update equal to, this is the operator. Or, okay, instead of this union method, you can give, let me show you that. You can give this also. Print A, B, then it is going to give the same results. Alright. Then here it is or equal to, right? Print, sorry, A or equal to B. Can give like that. Oh, some errors are there. Why? Let me check that. Was not simple. some issues are there. I don't know. Actually, it is same. Union assignment operator is same. Let's print like this. Whether it is printing. Okay, if we are going to give that, we have to store this inside another object, it seems. Oh, this is actually union. For union, it is printing it like that. Here what is happening is, in update, we have to give this operator first, then we have to print A because it's going to update A, no? Then print B. Let's see what it is printing. You can see that actually A has been changed to this. Okay, so the same, it is correct only. The next thing is update we have seen. Then intersection. For intersection, the operator we are using is and operator. Okay, or you can use this. If for intersection update, you can use and equal to operator. Okay. Then for difference, it is actually minus. Okay. For minus equal to for difference update. Then for symmetric difference, it is this operator. This operator, and for symmetric update, it is going to be this operator. Okay. Alright, so everything I have covered. First one we can do intersection. For intersection, what happens? It is not going to alter anything. It is going to just print the results, no? So let me print like this also. A, what is intersection? A and B. A and B, then A and B. So you can see here and is there. Then for intersection update, for update everything is equal to sign. No, the operator comes with an equal to sign. That is for update. So let's print. It is not going to print, no. It is going to alter any one of that. So we have to give and equal to B. Let's see. Yeah, correct. The next one is for difference, it is minus symbol. So you can give that. Here you can give that. You have to print it. So A minus B. Same. Yeah, correct. Then for this we are going to do what? We are going to be without print, we are going to do it. A minus equal to B. Then you can see the results. Then when it comes to the symmetric difference, the symbol is this. So we have to print it. Print A, B. So it is going to give the results. Okay, here. Then for a symmetric difference update, what we have to do? Without print, we have to give A equal to B. Same thing. Yeah. I hope you understood. Okay, the symbols and all I have given here. The next thing is we have to check for superset, other operations. other operations on sets are, first one is superset. Is subset is first one. Is subset, and the second one is superset. So I can explain this in a very simple way with an example. I'll give you some notes on this. Returns a set contains another set or not. Returns a set contains another set or not. So there are actually there are two methods to give that. That is, first one is this operator. Using this operator, we can find okay, sorry for the delay. Okay, the first one is subset, which means there is one operator called this one is less than, no? Less than operator is used to returns a new set. Let's see with an example, then only it is better to explain that also. So is subset. So let's take the same, not this one. Let's take the same example. Let's take these two, no, these two as our example. Let's see. Let's take the same thing. Okay, here. Then A dot is subset of B. So it will return true or false, because we have to check is A is a subset of B. It is false. Then what happens? What happens for print? Because A's the B doesn't contain all the items present in A. That's why it is returning false. Then print B dot subset of A. Here it will return true because A contains all the items present in B. It is true. So it is written like this. So it is wrong. Checks for all the items present inside the other set. If present, in set 1, checks for all the items present in set 1 inside the other inside set 2. Then we can say that set 1 is a subset of set 2. Okay. Then what happens? Checks for all the, okay, let's do that later. And the operations are, okay, let's see, the operations is print it's false. It's print now it is correct. Checking for A is less than B, which means checking for items all the items present inside B. It is false. Checking for A is bigger or B is bigger. Here you can see B is smaller than A, which means the items in B contains the items in B are present inside set A. That's why it is returning true. So this is the symbol. Okay, this is the operator for less than. This is the operator for is subset. Then we'll check for is superset. So how can we say that? Is super is superset. So you can see here is superset. Superset means it is going to return true or false Boolean value when a set is actually contains all the items in set another set. Okay, so let's see that A dot is superset of B. Okay, it is going to print that. It is going to print A is superset of B. Yes, A is actually the superset of B. No, because A is bigger than B and A contains all the items present inside B. Yeah, it is true. You can also print this one. Print, B dot is superset of B. Sorry, actually B is not the superset of A because B doesn't contain all the elements or all the items in A. It is going to print false. Yeah. Okay. And the operator using is greater than or greater than. Okay. Superset. So we can take this and you can print A greater than B. Is A greater than B? Yes, true. And print B greater than A. It is false. Look. Okay, these are the operations in this. So let's create this as symbol is greater than, and checks for all the items present in set 1 in set 2. Then we can say that set 2 is superset of set 1. Okay. There is one more thing as if disjoint is there, no? That will do that. What is disjoint? Check whether two sets have an intersection. It is actually comes here. I will give it here itself. 3 is disjoint, which means it's actually checks for common items present in both sets. Okay. Also, we can say like checks for presence of intersection. It is also going to return true or false. Returns Boolean. Just true or false. Okay, let's do that. Let's take the same example. There is no operation for disjoint. Okay, it is going to print a true or false. That's it. So print A dot disjoint is disjoint of B, because it is checking for A and B have common elements. There is, right? There is. It is false. A doesn't contain it doesn't actually is disjoint means it is checking for the common elements let's bring this. Which means okay, what does that means? A is disjoint of B. This thing. Okay, it is checking for, actually it is checking for the common elements. If the common elements are present, it is going to return false. Okay. Okay. Checks for the common expressions set. If there is common, it is actually checking for is joined. It is joined or not. If it is not joined, or if there is no common elements present inside, it is going to print true. But if the common elements are present, it is going to tell that it is not disjoint, it is joined. So it is going to print false. If there is common elements present, it's going to print false. Here you can see there is a common element. So that's why it's printing A. I will explain you with another example. Let's take set 1 as equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and 4. Then set 2 gives 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so there is no common elements present in both set 1 and set 2. Then we will print set 1 dot is disjoint of set 2, which means it is checking for set 1 and set 2 have common elements. It is true. No, it is disjoint. Actually, it is disjoined. There is no common elements. So then we can print set 2 dot is disjoint of set 1. Printing the same. Okay. It is checking for does the set 2 items are present inside the set 1. If the set 1 has the items present in set 2, then it is going to print false. If there is no items present items in set 2 are present inside set 1, it is going to print true. Yes. Okay, that's it. So these are the operations available in sets. Okay, that's all for today's video. Let's catch up on tomorrow. Okay, just do some exercises on set so that you can understand these operations and functions and methods in better way. That's all. Thank you.